Sugar is the organic in our organic-based performance enhancing liquids, or OBPE. Now, sugar doesn't actually melt any snow and ice, but what it does act as is a freeze point depressant. It also helps to resist ice from reforming, which is going to allow you to be able to plow that material off the roadway before it reforms into ice and turns into hard pack, and it's going to give you more time to do that. Now, there is a synergistic effect, especially with mag chloride in sugars, that will help the freeze point of those liquids go down to as low as minus 85 Fahrenheit when it comes to eutectic temperature. We're not recommending you use that material down to that temperature. Now, there's also a lot of other qualities that sugars do provide when it comes to these materials. They're going to make it more sticky, they're going to make it thicker so that you'll be able to spray it in a stockpile. It'll give you a little bit more versatility. And also, some liquids can provide corrosion protections, and the OBPE is responsible for those. So it's important that you reach out to your manufacturer or a trusted manufacturer and ask them about the liquid that you're using or thinking about using, and make sure it's right for your community.